Welcome to MICHQUEST, where visionary training, expert mentorship, and strategic funding converge to reshape the business landscape of Genesee County. Genesee County is on the brink of a transformative business revolution. MICHQUEST is leading the charge by redefining traditional business practices and driving local innovation through a comprehensive support ecosystem. At MICHQUEST, we empower entrepreneurs through a three-pronged approach. 1. AI training, equipping you with cutting-edge skills to harness the power of artificial intelligence. 2. Expert mentorship, providing personalized guidance from industry leaders to navigate your business journey. 3. Strategic funding, connecting you with the capital and resources needed to bring your vision to life. This integrated model not only fosters innovation, but also creates a robust ecosystem where ideas turn into thriving enterprises. The future of Genesee County is bright. With MICHQUEST leading the way, businesses are not just surviving, they're thriving. Our efforts are paving the way for a dynamic, tech-forward economy that promises sustainable growth and innovation. As one local leader puts it, thanks to MICHQUEST, we're witnessing a surge of innovation that's setting the stage for long-term success in our community. Are you ready to be part of the revolution shaping Genesee County's future? Visit us at MICHQUEST.com and follow us on social media for the latest updates, expert insights, and inspiring success stories. Subscribe, like, and share this video to join the MICHQUEST movement and transform your business journey.